say you're sorry.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rianti from class 4A English Education. Here I will present 10 journal articles that I have read. Okay, from the 10 articles that I have read or reviewed, all 10 of them have a relationship with each other, namely the theme of using artificial intelligence, or we can say AI, and digital technology in English language teaching and learning. And overall, the articles explore the benefits and challenges of AI in improving English language skills, such as reading, writing, listening, and demonstrated the effectiveness of digital platforms such as Duolingo and Grammarly. Okay, the first article is titled Benefits and Challenges of Artificial Intelligence in English Language Teaching. And the author of this article is Tajana Dogosija, and this article was published in the journal Knowledge International Journal in 2024. Okay, the background and purpose of this article is to explore the multi-phase role of artificial intelligence, or AI, in English language teaching, or ELT, exploring the benefits over as well as the potential challenges arising from the application of AI. The article emphasizes the importance of an approach that effectively leverages the advantage of AI while also minimizing its disadvantage to maximize the potential of AI in enhancing the English language learning experience. And then the result and discussion in this article are that a balanced approach is essential to effectively harness the advantage of AI in English language teaching, or ELT, learning while minimizing its disadvantage. They stress the importance of addressing ethical concerns such as user data privacy and algorithmic bias, while also recognizing the potential of AI to revolutionize language learning through personalized experience and enhanced engagement. This article is suitable reading for educators, researchers, and policymakers in the field of English language education who are interested in understanding the potential and challenges of using artificial intelligence in the context of English language teaching and learning. The second article is the title The Effectiveness of Duolingo English Courses in Developing Reading and Listening Proficiency, and writers is Xian Xing Jiang, Ryan Peters, Lucky Plons, and Bozone Pajak. They published in 21 January 2024. The main argument of this article is that Duolingo English courses are effective in developing learners' reading and listening skills, as evidenced by the outcomes of participants who completed the basic content, through CEVR or A2. And then the study emphasizes the importance of assessing language learning outcomes and suggests that Duolingo can be a valuable tool for language learners, particularly in developing receptive skills like reading and listening. Not just that, this article is intended for language education researchers and practitioners, especially those interested in researching the effectiveness of language learning. Language learning, through digital platforms such as Duolingo. More specifically, readers for elementary to high school students. And the result of this article is the effectiveness of Duolingo English courses in developing learners' reading and listening skills. And then the authors they highlight that participants who complete the basic content of the courses reach on average an intermediate high level in both reading and listening proficiency. This suggests that Duolingo's approach to language learning, as evidenced by this study or by this article, is successful in achieving its intended outcomes for learners. The third article is partnering with AI, intelligent writing assistants, and interactive language learning. The writers is Robert Godwin John. They published in 10 June 2022. And this article focuses on the development of artificial intelligence or AI technology and its influence on digital writing aids in second language learning. The author explains that advances in AI have resulted in the development of various highly advanced writing aids such as automatic writing assessment or AYE systems, automatic corrective feedback tools, translation engines, and automatic text generators. This article is intended for teachers from those teaching elementary, middle, and high school to higher education, as it discusses in depth how the development of AI technology has influenced digital writing tools that can be used in learning. The result of this article is the importance of raising awareness for L2 teachers and writing instructors regarding the capabilities of AI tools in providing writing assistance or automatic writing. And then the article recognizes that regardless of views on the usefulness or ethics of AI tools, they are likely to be used by many students. Therefore, teachers should find ways to use these tools appropriately and, if possible, integrate their use in teaching. Fourth article is Grammarly as a powered English writing assistant, students' alternative for writing English. The writers is Tira Nurfitria. They published in 1 April 2021. And the main argument that the use of Grammarly as an artificial intelligence AI-based writing tool can improve the quality of EVL students' writing. The authors shows that results of a study he conducted were before using Grammarly, and students' writing scores were only 34 out of 100, but after using Grammarly, their scores increased significantly, to 77 out of 100. Grammarly is proven to be able to help students improve various aspects of writing, ranging from spelling and sentence structures, grammar, to punctuation, yeah, something like that. And this is possible because Grammarly is based on AI systems that can provide correction and suggestion quickly and accurately. In addition, Grammarly's premium features also offer more and more complete advantage and benefits than the free version. And based on the result of his research, the author Tira recommends that EVL students can use Grammarly as an aid in writing English. This article seeks to convince readers that the use of Grammarly can help EVL students in significantly improving their English, especially writing skills. This article is intended at English as a foreign language or EVL students or learners who are studying English as a foreign language. The result of this article is that the use of an artificial intelligence or AI-based writing tool, Grammarly, prove effective in improving the writing quality of English as a foreign language, or we can say EVL students. And then, after using Grammarly, EVL students' writing quality scores saw a significant improvement compared to before using the tool. And the author states that Grammarly can help EVL students overcome difficulties in writing English, which involves many complex cognitive and language skills. Therefore, the author recommends that EVL students use Grammarly as a tool in developing for their English writing skills. The fifth article is AI on Learning English, Application, Benefit, and Threat. And the author is Eric Rukyat, Julin Arif Wicaksono, Guli Tornado Taufan, Degita Danu, and Suharsono. They published 12 June 2023, and this article aims to conduct in-depth literature review regarding the use of artificial intelligence, or we can say AI, in English language teaching or ELT. And the main argument of the article is that the use of artificial intelligence AI in English language teaching ELT can be seen as both a benefit and a potential threat, depending on how it is used and applied. This article explains that on the one hand, AI technology has the potential to make language learning more efficient and effective. Not just that, AI can provide personalized feedback and practice according to each student's needs and learning style. But on the other hand, the use of AI in ELT can also be a threat, depending on how it is implemented. And this article seeks to explore in depth through a literature review how AI is utilized to improve the learning of English as a foreign language. As well as understand more about the benefits and threats of using AI in the ELT context. Okay, this article is intended for several stakeholders groups in the field of English language teaching. The result in this article that there is great potential for the use of AI to increase the effectiveness and efficiency of English language learning. The authors conclude that there is a need for a comprehensive regulatory framework and guidelines to regulate the use of AI in ELT. This aim, ELT. Okay. This aims to ensure AI is implemented in a safe, ethical, and student-centered manner. Furthermore, this article also emphasizes the need for further research to deeply understand the impact, potential, and challenges of using AI in English language teaching practice. Okay, the sixth article is optimizing the use of artificial intelligence in English language learning and literature review. Okay, the author is Anggun Purnomo RB, and they published on 8 February 2024. The content and scope of this article is to explore and analyze the application of artificial intelligence (AI) in English language learning. The main focus in this article is on AI tools such as ChatGPT, Elsa Speak, and Perplexity, and how they can be utilized in the English language learning process. The main argument of this research article is that AI has the potential to enhance interactivity, personalization, and efficiency in English language learning. And then, this article based on the ability of AI to provide learning experiences tailored to the individual needs of each student, similar to an adaptive learning systems. This article is intended for readers interested in or involved in the field of education, particularly English language learning. This includes educators, researchers, educational technology developers, and other stakeholders interested in the utilization of AI in English language learning. So many. And then the result of this article that there are various AI applications in English language learning, such as conversational interaction and presentation creation, illustrative tutorials, and personalized tutorials, content creation, illustration generation, and voice generation technology. So, the article also suggests further research on long-term effectiveness, ethical consideration, fair access, integration with traditional methods, and user experience. This conclusion emphasizes the potential of AI in enhancing the quality and effectiveness of English language learning, while also identify issues that need to be considered. Okay, the seventh article is challenges and opportunities for foreign language teachers in the era of artificial intelligence. The author is Ai-Jun Yang. They published on 20 February 2024. Okay. The content and scope of this article is the challenges and opportunities faced by foreign language teachers in the era of artificial intelligence, particularly with the emergence of large-scale language models such as, there is ChatGPT. Yeah, ChatGPT. The article examines how university foreign language teachers can integrate artificial intelligence technology into their teaching practice to improve teaching effectiveness and talent development outcomes. And then the main argument of this article is that the integration of artificial intelligence into foreign language teaching at the university level can significantly improve teaching. Improve teaching effectiveness and students' talent development outcomes. Therefore, it is recommended that university foreign language teachers actively explore and implement artificial intelligence technologies to enhance the quality of foreign language education and student talent. And then this article is targeted at university foreign language teachers, especially those who want to understand and utilize artificial intelligence to enhance their teaching practice. And then the result of this article is that integrating artificial intelligence into foreign language teaching at the university level can improve significantly. So the teaching will be effectiveness and talent development outcomes. Okay, so the next article is Engaging Secondary School Students with Peer Feedback in L2 Writing Classrooms, a Mixed Method Study. The author is Xiaolong Cheng and Lawrence Jun Zhang. And then they published February 2, 2024. The scope of this article explores how secondary schools students engage with peer feedback in L2 writing classrooms in China. It uses a mixed methods approach to analyze students' engagement from affective, behavioral, and cognitive perspective over 12 weeks. And the research or this article aims to understand the role of teacher scaffolding in facilitating this engagement and the pedagogical implications for improving L2 writing through peer feedback. So, and the journal is intended for educators, researchers, and practitioners in the field of education, particularly those interested in second language acquisition, writing pedagogy, and formative assessment practice. And the article concludes that the teacher scaffolding significantly enhanced students' engagement with peer feedback peer feedback and leading to improved writing performance and greater confidence in providing and receiving feedback. It highlights the importance of structured peer feedback practice and continuous support to maximize the benefits of peer feedback in L2 writing classrooms. Ninth article is examining second language learners' engagement with AVE, teacher integrated feedback in a technology empowered context. The author is Yanglong Cheng and Lawrence Jun Zhang. They published on June 12, 2024. The article explored the impact of AVE teacher integrated feedback on the engagement and writing performance of L2 or language secondary learners, particularly Chinese EVL, English as a foreign language learners. It examines how this integrated feedback model influences students' cognitive, behavioral, and effective engagement in writing feedback. The authors argue that integrating AVE feedback with teacher feedback can enhance the effectiveness of feedback for L2 writing. The author suggests that while AVE feedback offers immediacy and convenience, teacher feedback addresses more complex writing issues. Their articles aims to demonstrate how this integrated approach impacts students' engagement and writing performance. The article or the journal article is intended for educators, researchers, and practitioners in the field of acquisition of second language acquisition, applied linguistic, and educational technology. So it is also relevant to those interested in improving feedback mechanisms in language learning. The articles have the result. The result is that students who receive AVE teachers integrated feedback demonstrate more profound behavioral and cognitive engagement compared to those who receive only teacher feedback. Okay, Alhamdulillah, we are in the last article is Stop Grammar Type. University students' perceptions of the automatic feedback, the program Grammarly. The author is Ruth O'Neill and Alex M.T. Russell. They published in March 21 in 2024. Okay, the article explores university students' perceptions of Grammarly, an automated feedback program, in conjunction with traditional academic feedback. It investigates the effectiveness of Grammarly in providing grammar support to both international and domestic students. So, both international students and domestic students. And examines how it compares to non-automatic feedback methods. The primary argument is that Grammarly can be an effective tool for providing grammar feedback to university students. Particularly when used alongside traditional academic learning advisors. The articles or the journal finds that students generally respond positively to the feedback provided by Grammarly and are more satisfied with its grammar advice compared to traditional method. And the article is intended for educators, academic support staff, resources in educational technology, and policymakers interest the implementation and effectiveness of automated feedback systems in higher education. Okay, the result of this article is that Grammarly can effectively support grammar feedback for university students when used with academic learning advisors. Students who use Grammarly were generally more satisfied with the feedback they receive. And however, Grammarly should not be used independently as it is not yet accurate enough to replace human feedback entirely. Okay, that's all from me. I can conclude that some articles emphasize the importance of a balanced approach and the need for the right setting to maximize the potential of AI, or we know that artificial intelligence, while others discuss how a combination of feedback from AI and teachers can improve students' engagement and writing performance. In general, these articles illustrate the great potential of AI or artificial intelligence, in improving the quality of English education if used wisely and well integrated in traditional teaching practice. Okay, thank you for your attention or watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.